Hey there, guys. Welcome to episode 146 of the Building in Public series. Today, I'm going to show you what it's like to use AI to build website templates. Now, bit of a TLDR for this episode. It is doing a very good job at the moment. I was very surprised with what it outputted. Okay, I basically got two designs that I wanted to work with. So one was a formal sort of approach to the design, and the other one was a bit more of a colorful approach to it. And yeah, pretty much what you're going to see in this episode is us use AI to build the template, actually design the template inside of Elementor, and then just work our way around it pretty much. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's a nice little twist on how AI can design websites. Now, don't get me wrong, a good thing is my job isn't going anywhere anytime soon, which is good, but the fact that it can come up with a pretty good design is just really cool, and I thought I'd want to showcase that one today. So yeah, let's get into today's episode. So as you can see here, very first thing, okay, is the first template that we had. You can see very simple, very professional design for a start of a homepage. Trusted fire safety experts, blah blah blah. Nice images, nice header across the top, very, very professional. You can see here as well the who we are, why choose us, the need advice, the call to action bit there. Very cool, very clean. And pretty much what we decided to do was design the first template around that. We're probably going to dive into this template either in tomorrow's episode or maybe even Monday's episode. Ideally, I want to keep Sunday clear for basically what our plan is going forward. But you can see here, very nice, very clean designs, and I'm quite impressed with how it inputted stuff, outputted stuff. But there's a massive problem with AI right now, especially with this and what I found. It's the spelling mistakes. I don't know if you guys actually know, but Yorkshire isn't spelt with a T, you know. And there's a few other things like where mead, Gloucestershire, or whatever it is. You know what I mean? It's not spelt properly. And I got to be honest, this is the only downfall of the AI side of things. But honestly, other than that, it really did do a good job. And yeah, pretty much what you're going to see here is us just go through the whole process of designing the websites and starting things out. You can see here, I tried to use this as like a header image or a hero image. Didn't really quite go to plan. So what I ended up doing instead was using Envato elements to find this image and running with that. But honestly, there's not much else to report in this episode. It's just the design process and stuff. Like you can see here, I'm going with this logo that was given to me, and we're sort of just running with the design. We're trying it as a PNG first to see how things work, but Canva is having some weird issue with it. So we had to put a text block in there for it to class as a logo, I think, to export it, and that's pretty much what you're seeing here. Obviously, we tried PNGs, but PNGs didn't work, so we actually ended up going with an SVG, and we didn't actually lose any quality there, which is nice. And yeah, pretty much that's just our little test for a logo. It's probably not going to be the final logo, but it's a good little thing for you guys just to see like what goes into the design side of it. And yeah, I got to be honest, from like concept to sort of where we're at now, it's pretty much there. Like it looks very professional for a starter template. And I got to be honest with you, like I said, very impressed with what AI done for us, but it's not quite there yet. And yeah, pretty much just for this session, this is sort of what we ended up with. Like, we were trying to implement a nice little feature before we wrapped up, and that was to do like a um, scroll feature where when you scrolled, it changed color on the header and stuff. But I don't think we managed to implement it properly. Like you'll see here, we go through the process, add the JavaScript, test it out. I think it did work, but it's not fully finished to sort of what we want it to be at. And if I just scroll through this now, grab that, yeah, perfect. I think you'll see the finished thing here. So you see how we were, again, that's a little bit too quick, but you should see it here now. So if I go very slowly, where are we? Are we gonna? No, you still can't see it. It's a bit too quick. But you see there how you scroll and you have the black across the top. That was our idea, right? And yeah, pretty much that's kind of what we finished on for today. Nothing crazy, but obviously we have to get an episode out, and I think this is one of the easiest ways to get an episode out. And yeah, let me know what you guys think on that take for AI and stuff. Honestly, like I said, I'm very impressed, but it's still not quite there yet. So yeah, so I think website designers are safe for now. And yeah, that'll be it for my episode today, guys. Hope you're all keeping well, hope you're all keeping all right, and I'll see you tomorrow for episode 147. Cheers. Bye for now.